Step forward, hit a right high V on blue, clasp on the pause, left bow and arrow on come, switch to the right, again to the left on come, switch to the right, left high V on white, clasp on the pause. You can do a pump up motion on pump it up, again on pump it up, clean arms on upward, clasp on the pause. Group 1, you're going to step back to a T motion on let's go. Group 2 is going to join group 1 on the second let's go. Right high V on blue, clasp on end, left high V on white, right high V on blue, clasp on end, and left high V on white.